Alright everyone, we're back at Fast Track Car Wash, and today we're checking out their touchless. And everything is the same here. It's still that's the touchless. That's a Broadway all cloth, which we've already done, and then this is a touch-free laser wash, which we haven't done yet. So that's why we're doing it today. And so let's do a walkthrough. Looks like there's this huge
RV wash.
Yeah, where like you can get up on a freaking stairs there and wash your RV or freaking semi. Here's your control box. Darn you, Jets! Wow. Here's the signage. There's the, oh wow, it's quite the echo in here. I bet this used to be another manual bay. But there's the undercarriage. There's the machine itself. It's incredibly dirty. There's the boom up there, arm, sensor, signage, all that. So, yeah. Let's check it out now. The wash is now active. It's got that weird siren. It's probably Zep chemicals, which, I don't like Zep. They nasty. That's probably not good for reliability. Oh wait, oh, never mind. Not good for reliability. I wonder what that is on the bottom of the arm. Like, is that mud? Is that dirt? I don't want to know, to be honest. Trifoam is supposed to be squirting right now. tri-foam coverage. Oh, that's a cool system. I've never seen that before. I bet that's retrofitted from a 360 laser wash. Spot free. What did you think?
I thought it was decent, especially for how old it was.
Oh yeah.
And all the stuff smelled really good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I agree. Except for the pre-soak. That stuff was blech.
Yeah, I didn't smell that, but I like the smell of everything else.
Yeah, so 8 out of 10.
Yeah.
I'd actually, yeah, 8 out of 10. It's a good wash. I'd recommend them. So yeah, that is the Fast Track Car Wash Touchless. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. That'll be it.